Welcome to my channel. Here we'll be working on the construction of a cycloid. We'll be constructing a cycloid, and the diameter of the rolling circle is 50 millimeters. All right, so let's start and do this construction. So the first thing that we have to do, we ensure that we put on the auto mode because we want to draw a horizontal line and a vertical line. So we click on line, then I'm going to draw a horizontal line of any length like this. Then I'm going to draw a vertical line also of any length. Okay. All right, so we have the vertical line like this. Then we come to circle and then we draw a circle. So radius 25. So that's the circle. So the next thing that we are going to do is to divide this circle into a number of equal parts, and I want that to be 12 equal parts. So here I will come to this tool, then pick this particular tool called divide. Then I will select the object and give it number of division, that is 12. So press enter key on the keyboard. So that's it. So the next thing that I'm going to do is to draw some lines on this on the circumference of this circle so that it has been divided into 12 equal parts. So I'll come to line, and then we have a point here. So it goes together with this point here. All right, so I will repeat the line. So there is a point around here. It goes together with this point here. All right, so then we also repeat it. So there is a point around here. So it goes together with this point. Then we also have another point around here. It goes together with this point here. Okay, so we have the point here. So that's it. All right, so we have divided the circle into 12 equal parts as you see on the screen. So next that I'm going to do is that I'm going to number the points on the circle. So we come to text and we select this particular type of text. Then we click on the surface of the working surface. Then we give it a height of 2 and rotation angle is 0. So this point here is 0, and this point here is 1. Here is 2. So here is 3. Here is 4. Here is 5. So this point is 6. This is 7. So this point here is 0.8. So this point here is 0.9. So this is 0.10. Okay, so this point is 11. Okay, so we have 11 here. So that's also all right, so we have divided the circle into 12 equal parts and have numbered each point. All right, so the next thing that we are going to do is that we are going to draw a horizontal line from this point towards this side, and let outline be equal to the circumference of this circle. So that to calculate the circumference of this circle, I'm going to multiply the diameter by the value of pi, which is 3.142. So 50 times 3.142 will give us 157.1, but I'll just make it 157 millimeters. So we click on line, and then we click on this point and we draw this line. So we give it a distance of 157. Then press enter key on the keyboard. Okay, so now we are going to divide this line, but before that, I want to label this point and I'm going to call it 0. So I will copy this. Okay, so I will put off the auto mode so that I can move I can move that number. So this is 0 here. All right, so we have that. So I'm going to divide this line 0, 0 into 12 equal parts, and to do that, so I'm going to draw a line at an angle to this point. Okay. All right, so I have it like this. All right, so we have it. So then I'm going to use axe to divide this line into 12 equal parts. So I'll be using a radius of 15 for that. So we select this particular arc, and then from this point, so I'm going to give it a distance of 15 millimeters. So we have that. So then we come again. So from this point now as a center, just like you use your compass to do the division, so we give it a distance of 15. So that's it. So yeah, we have that. So then we have this point now. So we give it a distance of 15. So we have this. Then the next one, so we come here, give it a distance of 15. So here we have this point. The next one, so we select this, and then we have this point as center, give it a distance of 15. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we still have 7 more. So we click on this. So giving it a distance to this center, giving it a distance of 15. So we have this point. So the arcs, as you can see that I'm drawing in, the arcs are drawn in anti-clockwise direction. So give the distance of 15. So it goes like this in anti-clockwise direction. All right, so we also select this. So this as a center. So give it a distance of 15. Okay, so let's check the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We still have more to go. Okay, so I'm going to, so I may need to extend this line a bit. Okay. All right, so we have it like this. So, all right, so we go again. So this is 15. So give it a distance of 15. So we have this point. So next one, so we select again. So give it a distance of 15. All right, so we have this. Then we have another one. So from this point, we give it a distance of 15. All right, so let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. One more. Okay. Then we'll give it a distance of 15. All right, so we have this. So the next thing that we are going to do is that we are going to join the last point here to the end of the line. So I'm going to extend so this horizontal center line a little bit. Okay. So now, so we click on line, then we connect this point here. So we connect this point together with the end of the line here. All right, so we have this. So I'll put off the auto mode. Then the next thing that I'm going to do is that I'm going to select this line. Okay, I'll select this line. So, and then I will copy this line and then drop it on each of the points. So we come to copy here. And we select the object to copy, right click, pick it at the bottom here, pick it at this point, and we drop it here, drop it at this point, drop it at this point. So we drop it at this point. Okay, so we also drop it at this point. We drop it here, drop it here, drop it here, drop it here, we drop it here, and we drop it here. All right, so that's it. So the next that I'm going to do is that I'm going to break this off. Okay, so I will use trim. So I can trim all this at once, all these ones. I can trim them, and also I will break this. And then for this one, I'll break it here. All right, so then the next thing that I'm going to do is that, so the remaining one here, okay, I will select them one by one. Then I will right click and erase them. All right, so we have this. So I also need to trim this off. All right, so we have this now. The next thing that we are going to do is that I want to change the center line. I want to make it to be two continuous line. So I'll come here, select center, then click on this arrow to change the thickness of that to 5. All right, so you can now see it as a thin long chain line, which we call center line, or which we use for center line. So next thing that we are going to do is to come to line. Then I'm going to draw horizontal line. So let's put on the auto mode. So I'm going to draw horizontal line from this point 1 to point 11, and it goes in this direction. All right, so then we repeat the line. So point 2 to 10, and then it goes in this direction. All right, so then next we repeat the line. So point 4 to 8, so it goes in this direction. Then we repeat the line again. So point 5 to 7 goes in this direction. Okay. Then we repeat the line just for 6. So from here, so it goes in this direction at an angle 0 to the horizontal. That's it. All right. So the next thing that we are going to do, we are going to erect a vertical line on each of these points. But before that, I'm going to number each point. So the height is 2, rotational angle is 0. So here we have, so this point here, this is point 1, this is point 2, this is point, so this is point 3, here is point 4, this is point 5, this is point 6, this is point 7, this is point 8, here is point 9, this is point 10, okay, 10, and this is point 11, 11. All right, so we have this. So the next thing that we are going to do, as I said, is that we are going to erect a vertical line on each of these points. So starting from here, we have a vertical line. So touching this line here. Okay, so we repeat it. So from this point 2, so we erect a vertical line here. So also we repeat the line. Then we draw a vertical line from this point. And then so we repeat it again. So draw a vertical line from point 4, touch the line at 6, repeat it. So draw a vertical line here. Then we repeat it here. So we draw a vertical line from 6 up. Okay, so we repeat it. So draw a vertical line from 7 up. So we repeat it. So draw a vertical line from 8 up again. So we take it. So draw a vertical line here. So we repeat it. So here we draw a vertical line. Then from 11 up, so we draw a vertical line. And then from 0 up here, so we draw a vertical line. So I'm going to trim the excess line. So I'm going to trim this. So just, all right, so we have this. Okay, so the next thing that we are going to do here is that these are the centers on the center line. So these are the centers. I want us to also label them. So we take this, then the height is 2, the rotation angle is 0. Okay, so we have this point here. This point is point C0. So this point is C1. So this point is C2. So this point is C3. So this point is C4. So this is C5. This point is C6. This point here is C7. So this point here is C8. This point is C9. This point is C10. So this point is C11. And this point here is C0. Okay, so we right click and then we cancel. All right, so the next thing that we are going to do is to draw the arcs for us to obtain the cycloid. So, and what we are to do, so we are going to make use of the radius of the circle, which is 25, with this arc. So we take the arc, so this arc, and then we come to center one, and we give it a radius of 25. So 25, which is the radius of the rolling circle. So press enter key. So we have this point. So next, so we are taking the arc again. So but we are making use of center 2 here. Okay. So we give it a radius of 25. So press enter key. So we have that point. Again, we repeat so we have center 3 now. So for center 3, so this is line 3. This is line 3, this is line 1. That's why we have the first arc here. So line 2. So we have it. So this is line 3. So all we have to do is to give it a distance of 25, press enter key, and then we have that point. So we take the arc again. You can see that I'm going back to repeat the arc. So that's what I'm doing. So all right, so this is line 4. So we give it a distance of 25. That's the radius of the circle. Press the enter key. So we have that point. And then we repeat the arc again. So center 5. So line 5 is up here. So we give it a distance of 25. So we press enter key. So we have that point as for 5. Then we take it again. So this is center 6. So we give it a distance of 25. So press enter key. So we have the arc, it touches that line 6 exactly. So we take the arc again. So we make use of center 7. This is line 7. So line 5 and 7 are together. So and don't forget that the arc is being rotated anti-clockwise. So just look at the way I'm rotating it. So give it a distance of 25. And it goes like this. All right, so next is 8. So we take the arc again. So center 8, this is line 8. I'll give it a distance of 25. So we have this point for 8. Then next, so we take the arc again. So we have center 9. So this is line 9. Okay. So we give it a distance of 25. So press the enter key. So it goes like this. So next we have the arc again. So center 10. So this is line 10 here. So give it a distance of 25. So press the enter key. So we have this point of 10. So next we have the arc again. We now make use of center 11. Center 11. So this is line 11. Okay, so we give it a distance of 25. Then we have the arc here again. All right, so that is what we have there. So the next thing that we are going to do is to join this point together for us to obtain the cycloid. And we are making use of spline fit. Just select this tool and then starting from point 0 here to point 1. Okay, I'm going to, so I want us to see the point. So this is the point, then to point 2, then to point 3. Okay, so I need to put this off. The auto mode, we put it off. So we have this point here. Okay. All right, so so we have this point. Then we have, there's a point here. So there is a point here. So there is a point here. Okay, there's a point here on this line. There is a point. There's a point here. All right, so we have a point here, then we have a point here, then the last point is this. Then before you don't just click and leave. So what you have to do, press the key C on the keyboard, then press the enter key. Okay, so now, so we are going to trim this off. That's what we are going to do. So we trim this off. So click on trim, then select this. Oh, all right, so we select the objects here. We select this, select this, select this. Okay, so we select this one and select this. Okay, so that is all. Right click and press enter. All right, so we have the Cycloid here now. So for us to see it clearly, so I'm going to select the circle and select this. Then I will come here and select this type of line. Also, I need to make this line a thick line. That is the line upon which the circle is rolling. So we have to, it starts with maybe thick line. All right, so here we press the escape key. So this is the cycloid as you see it here. So all you have to do is to practice. When you practice it, you become a master at it. Thank you. Keep on practicing and God bless you.